Hi, hello, very good evening, one and all. Welcome to the most comprehensive preparation platform for all competitive exams, BYJU'S Exam Prep. Today's session is a very important session for computer science graduates because it's whether you appear for the GATE exam, whether you have given good attempt or not, that is immaterial now for this session, guys. Me and respected DV Sridhar sir is with you to share what are the career opportunities and what are the exams you can attempt, you can choose for your career other than GATE.
Yeah.
So this session is exclusively for computer science graduates. I welcome Mr. DV Sridhar sir to please give few words.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yes, dear friends, this is an exclusive session for computer science students. So in this particular session, we are just trying to help you in knowing other career opportunities and other examinations other than GATE examination. So suppose if you are not able to do very well, but you done a very good preparation for your GATE, that preparation will not go wrong or will not go anywhere. Okay, it will definitely useful for other examination preparation. So we are coming up with this particular session where we let you know what are the possibilities or other options you are having, okay, with your GATE preparation only. Because preparation, but one bad day does not decide your career. Okay, so we are coming up with this particular session.
Yes. So yeah. Let me welcome Satya and all the other students. Those who have joined the session, could you please confirm, are we visible and audible clearly or not in the chat box? And also keep liking the session, keep sharing it, because it is a very useful session for all computer science graduates.
Yeah.
Are we visible and audible? Please confirm, dear friends. Okay, sir, with your permission,
yeah,
let me present the screen, sir.
Please.
Yeah. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes. I think even for students it is visible. Let us see.
It has to be. It has to be.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So for CSC students, what are the career opportunities or exams other than GATE? Let us have the discussion. Hi, Gaurav. Hello. So, guys, yes. DV sir, please take a lead on this.
If you just generally see overall the opportunities which computer science students are having, see, one is higher education. Okay, that is mainly for what you prepared, even in India or in abroad also. MS you generally call it, okay, or M Tech, MS by research or direct PhD programs. All these are first possibility. The second possibility, which as I told you, abroad. MS, they want to do it in foreign universities, even PhD programs they want to go. And the third one, which see, for computer science people generally feel that there are very less public sector jobs available, but we have good number of public sector jobs available for computer science students also.
Yes.
And most of the public sector job or the most important jobs being the research oriented. Because of that, people have that particular wrong opinion that computer science students don't have this particular public sector jobs. See, here I just divided this core jobs and IT jobs. See, core jobs are mainly, the most famous, companies where the generally they hire from, product based from prestigious universities. Generally, they hire students, and generally for regular private engineering students, getting into these jobs is not that simple, because it is a limited number of jobs will be available here, and these are of course product based. Even if when I say IT jobs, even in there we generally call it as service based jobs are mainly called bulk companies, we call that. That is, bulk recruitment will happen in this service based companies. Of course, even there are some product based where they take bulk recruitments. So I generally categorize them as IT jobs, where lower level, whereas core jobs are the highest jobs where like, you know, Amazon, Flipkart, the top companies, Google, okay, where people always aim to join there. Okay, so those
Right.
are the categorizations, my dear friends. These are the career opportunities for students, computer science students especially.
Right.
Yes,
Right.
sir. Any
Yes, sir. What you said is absolutely correct. So, dear friends, GATE is just one of the career options every computer science graduate is having. Fine, you have not given the GATE attempt or given the very bad attempt. Don't worry. As sir rightly mentioned, you have multiple other opportunities waiting for you. So, as sir said, yes, higher education still you can do. Still you can do, though you are not doing good in the GATE, whether in the India or abroad also. And public sector jobs, yes, though there are limited number, but still there is a there are high chances for even computer science aspirants. We will talk about what public sector jobs you can get,
yeah,
and
yeah.
the core jobs. Yes.
Sir, one point here, Success Nation saying that he's having 56 points. That is not a bad score, sir. Even you can get sometimes if, some IITs and NITs, they also conduct call for interviews, and there is a chance that you may get selected there. And you have
Yes.
a good chance for this public sectors also, for public sector jobs also. And even see, second IITs and all, they're just names. See, whether you go for top IITs or second level IITs, whatever you call it, there are names. Only thing is you work with good minds. That is the only difference, my dear friend. Whether you are in top IIT or in whatever you call it as, you know, second gen IITs, whatever it is, when you go for jobs, all these top companies will go for hiring in all these IITs, obviously. So there is a very good chance for you, even if you are in a second generation IITs. So you may be changing that particular scenario where generally people are hired only from top IITs. You may change that particular scenario. You can just do that particular preparation here. You can definitely do that. Okay, it's not like, you know, second generation IITs are bad. It's not like that. Only thing
True.
is,
True.
people have that particular frame of mind, like I need to get in only here, I'll get. It's not like that, no. So even from second generation IITs, we have good number of students who got very good placements in top companies, my dear friends.
Whatever the IIT you pursue, you will be
Yeah.
called as an IIT and only.
Yeah, IIT brands. It is a brand, so
Right.
brand
Right.
matters.
Yes. So let us go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay.
So here
Yes.
we are having this, generally for different types of public sectors and other things. What are the, selection process we need to go through? See, if it is a public sector companies, the selection process generally consists of sometimes GATE score also will be valid for some public sector companies. There will be some written test conducted by those companies. And remember, this written test level will be maximum GATE or less than that. Generally will be very, very less than GATE level preparation, my dear
We can
friends.
say GATE 1 mark level.
Yeah, GATE 1 mark level. Okay. Or generally, they are not like in-depth they ask you information kind of questions you'll get here. Okay. And here sometimes they ask you aptitude and English are very, very important for all type of these examination, my dear friends. Okay. So core subjects, even in interviews, mostly they can ask you questions in core subjects. Generally, core subjects means the technical interview, generally they ask what is your favorite subject. Okay, generally this is the scenario. You can tell in which subject you are well versed, so they can start the interview with that particular subject, and they'll take you through different subjects related to that. That is how that particular interview process will happen. And generally in public sectors there will be a medical test.
Exactly.
Yes,
exactly, sir.
Your take on this, sir?
Yeah. So in the core private sector, means
Yeah.
as sir mentioned, the top level companies who generally recruit from the premier institutes.
Yeah.
What would be the general selection process? Written test. See, nowadays what happened is written test means, as you know, everything is becoming online. Today, even the IT sectors are also conducting their written test online, which today we are calling as competitive coding test. You will be given maybe 4 or 5 problems. For them, you have to write the code, pass through the test cases. That is how generally now written test is happening by the big giant organizations, maybe like Google or CTS or Amazon or whatever, Infosys, TCS, whatever the names you take.
Yeah.
And then followed by interview. For interview, generally they'll call you for that office location, and followed by negotiation round, that is HR round. Okay. And then talking about other IT jobs.
Yeah.
Yes,
See,
sir.
even the other IT jobs, the story is the same. So they'll generally, this IT jobs, even in, not only in IITs and all, even in local private institutes also, this placement happens where they conduct. And not only online, offline also, this placement test will be conducted on regular basis. So there will be written test. Generally, if you see this particular written test, they are based on this basic aptitude English. Okay. Your campus recruitment trainings happens many places. So where mainly this aptitude English and the programming languages nowadays, Python also they are asking. C++ are generally asked in such written tests, my dear friends. C++ and based even data structuring and algorithm questions also will be asked in such basic written tests, like database management. All the core subject questions can be expected. Mainly aptitude and English are guaranteed, and depending on the type of that particular job, their requirement, they may introduce other core subjects also. Okay.
Yeah. So guys, please remember one point. Whatever the job you are applying for, the interview will be majorly towards job role or job description. What kind of skills they are expecting from you, those skills will be verified, those skills will be assessed in you. If you are applying for a testing job, obviously you will have questions on software engineering, software testing methodologies. If you are applying into networking domain, you will have to face networking related questions. If you are applying for development jobs, obviously C, CPP, Python, Java related questions you have to face. So remember blindly that what is the job description. Even for public sector jobs also, job description will be clearly mentioned. What are the roles and responsibilities once you join? So around that, you have to face the questions in any kind of interview. Okay.
And one more point which I would like to mention here. Generally, if it is public sector jobs, the package would be around 10 to 15 lakhs. Okay. The core private sector, it varies again, because generally they hire from top institutes. Generally it varies from 20 plus, sometimes 50 plus also. You hear recent past, if you hear, the packages are very, very high. Okay. And normal IT jobs, when you hear, it would be around 6 to 9 lakhs. That would be the basic range. But again, depending on the variation, that may go up to 10, 15 lakhs also, my dear friends.
Yes. So guys, yes, you see different public sector, core private sector, IT jobs. Just for your reference, just for your idea, here we have got just,
of course, here in this slide we only given the public sector jobs, but even we have core private and IT jobs also. Will be towards the end, we'll be discussing that. Yes.
Yep. BARC, ISRO, ONGC, Indian Oil, CRIS, BBNL, TIFR, so NTPC. So you are POSOCO, you are having so many public sector jobs, though you belong to computer science.
These are all especially PSUs for computer science.
Yes.
Even computer science students are eligible for these PSUs, my dear friends.
Yes. And I think all this info is available on our BYJU'S Exam Prep website also.
Yeah, that's what I mentioned in that. Yeah, you can get that in. Yes.
Right. So guys, sir, I am just having a doubt. Maybe students also might have this doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, what if the student has not given the GATE exam? Well, fine. That is the reason why we are conducting this session, right? So, sir, what if the student is not inclined towards these PSUs? Do they have any other opportunities?
See, are you do you mean to say that, sir, like they are only interested in higher studies?
Yeah. So they might be interested in higher studies, right, sir?
Yeah. See, that's what I mentioned. Like, see,
sir,
obviously,
do student can choose like to drop out and or to pursue M Tech in any other premier institutes? Do we have any such premier institutes to pursue M Tech other than IITs and NITs, sir?
Yes,
From
we
student,
have.
from yeah, on behalf of student, I am asking you.
Yes, sir. We are actually, I think you are revealing the secret slowly to the student what we are coming up with. So actually, we are trying to tell the students what are the different opportunities. See, there are two options generally I tell students. One is give a dropout, prepare seriously for GATE once again. Because once you prepare for GATE, you are ready for all other opportunities we are telling. So you don't want to give drop, you don't want to give 1 year drop, and you want to directly continue the, continue for higher studies. It's not like only IITs are offering this higher studies, my dear friends. We also have many premier institutes which offer which offers post-graduation degrees, and which are having even high packages which are on par with GATE. Okay. Yeah.
So, sir, shall I reveal?
Please, sir.
Shall I reveal the suspense?
Please.
Yep. So, GATE exam, yes, definitely, no one can deny it is one of the career opportunities for CSE student. ISRO exam you have, guys. BARC, NEELIT, DRDO, TIFR.
Yes, sir. We are actually
entrance exams.
Sir, actually, BARC examination we are giving, on YouTube. We are conducting sessions for students to help them, okay, to get some good knowledge, or to help them preparation for BARC. And they would have understood from the questions, the level would be maximum GATE or GATE 1 mark questions, or definitely less than that level.
Less than that. Yes, sir. Yes. So, guys, you can choose to write any of these exams after your graduation, or you may choose to pursue your M Tech in other premier institutes. What are the other premier institutes? Yes, we will be revealing that just in a moment. And what else you can do? You can choose to work as a technical trainer if you are really sound at the programming skills or any other technical skills. You can choose your career option as a technical trainer, or you may select IT jobs, or you may pursue certifications. You may pursue certifications to improve, to increase your profile weight. Right? So let us understand about these quickly. So if you talk about ISRO scientist, I think our DV sir will go on this.
Yes, sir. ISRO scientist, this scientist engineer post, generally, almost every year they are, giving this notification. So based on that particular notification, generally there are two ways. One is with GATE score or written test, followed by interview also they are conducting it. So you have to wait for the notification, my dear friend. Generally, last year it was around December it happened. So again, the same thing may happen. See, here also you have very good package, and also ISRO is also offering, like, there is a separate offering, like, you can with GATE score or separately UGC JRF, you can do this research also in that particular ISRO organizations. Okay.
Yes.
For more information, you can go through this ISRO website. You'll get more information about it.
ISRO recruit through both channels, guys.
Yes.
Through GATE as well as through ISRO written test.
Yes.
So though you have not given the GATE attempt well, don't worry. ISRO conduct their own exam. You can perform well in that exam because the syllabus would be almost equal to GATE, and the level of difficulty level would be definitely less than GATE. Definitely less than GATE. So yes, this is one very good opportunity or exam that you can wait for. And the next would be, yes, undoubtedly, BARC.
Yeah, the scientific officer group A post, actually they are having two options here. Either you can take 1 year, they after qualification, they conduct 1 year course followed by the job opportunity, or they are 2 years. Here there is one opportunity, like, after 2 years course where they offer your M Tech degree also followed by job opportunity. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is about this BARC scientist. Okay, scientific officer.
Guys, please feel free to ask any of your doubts. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Hi, Lalit. Hello, everyone. Okay. And the other opportunity you can choose is as a DRDO scientist B, for which BE BTechs are eligible with a valid GATE score. Even DRDO do conduct sometimes their own exam. Mostly they recruit through GATE score, fine. And generally who pursued from IITs or NITs, generally they recruit, but still you can give a try. Okay. And yes.
TIFR, see, it is a research organization. Okay, so generally you will be awarded a research degree, but not in computer science engineering, but computer science. Okay, if you are more tending towards the research and all, you can choose this particular opportunity. But the examination is little tougher side, mostly especially if you take discrete mathematics, those questions, they are little theoretical kind of questions because it is a research oriented organization.
Right. And the next you can choose is, yes, NIC NEELIT scientist. Guys, whether you know it or not, just few days ago, NIC has released around 598 posts for scientists to be scientific technical assistant STA positions, where the salary starts from 35,400 and it varies till 1,77,500. The salary band is for scientists to be with proper qualification. If you go and if you pass through all the process, you may get till 1,77,000 also. And the selection process for scientist B would be written test and interview. For scientific officer also written test and interview. But for STA, scientific technical assistant, the selection process is purely based on the written test. So you have to be in the top merit list, then you will be directly given the posting for STA. However, the complete detail is given by our expert faculty already in the BYJU'S YouTube channel. You can explore if you want more details. Okay. And the next one, yes.
So you also have this, all the states will conduct this particular MTech entrance examination. Like, for Andhra Pradesh people, we have AP PGCET. For Telangana people, like TS PGCET. Similarly, UP set. Earlier it was named like UPSCE something, and Karnataka PGCET. Don't feel bad because I have not given all the all the states. So almost
example.
Almost every state will conduct their own PGCET, and for these PGCETs, your GATE rank is also eligible, and you are also eligible for some of these like AP PGCET and Telangana. You are also eligible for stipend together with not only with MTech. You also can, but you have to separately apply for that. You need to go through that particular process, my dear friends. So here also you can do MTech. Same as you done your MTech in your, obviously, IITs and NITs. Brand may not be there, but you will be doing your higher degree definitely, my dear friends. Yes, sir.
Yes. So guys, are you able to follow? Are you able to get what we are telling? We are trying to explore what are different career opportunities other than GATE for you. So please give response, make the session interactive, keep responding. Are you following? Are you getting some useful information or not? Please do respond. So the other premier institutes which offer PG other than IIT, NIT are IIITs.
Yes.
The next ranking we give after IITs and NITs, and sometimes some IIITs are even far better than some NITs. What do you say, sir?
Yeah. For example, IIIT Hyderabad, the placement is known for it. IIIT Hyderabad is known for its placement. Even not only this IIITs, can you reveal the other one, sir?
IIIT Bangalore.
Yes.
IIIT
not
Allahabad.
Only IIITs, even we have the BITS.
Yeah. I mean to say in these IIITs, generally IIIT Hyderabad, IIIT Bangalore, IIIT Allahabad are very famous for their placements, guys.
Yeah.
Some placements are far good than some NITs also. Okay, so definitely you can choose this as one opportunity for you. And the other is
BITS Pilani.
BITS Pilani, Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Technology, Vellore Technological University or Vellore Institute of Technology. Like this, you have, these are also premier institutes, dear friends. These are not at all less than NITs. Don't think in that way. Definitely, the quality of education, the environment, the facilities, the professors, everybody, what you get in NITs, almost on par with them, you will get even in these premier institutes, whether it is a IIIT or BITS or VTU or DAIICT. Yes. What do you say, sir?
Yeah. See, they're all premier institutes, okay, and definitely their placements is on par with top IITs. No second thought about it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So if you are more inclined towards learning, you want to give it, you are thinking to drop for 1 year. I want to prepare for GATE 2024. You have already given GATE 2023 exam, but due to some unknown circumstances, you are unable to perform well. Don't worry. You can, in the meantime, you can choose to do some certification. This would be really useful when you go for a job, PSU job, or when you go for an interview. Definitely this certification would be more useful. It increase your resume weightage. It increase your resume weightage. Some certification, just for your reference, for your idea, I am giving like Oracle Certified Associate, OCA. This is for Java. Earlier Sun Microsystems was there, no? Now, once Oracle taken over it, it is named as Oracle Certified Associate. So this is for Java certification. And if you are interested towards networking, Cisco, even Microsoft also offers certification into networking. Cisco certification we call as CCNA, CCNP. We have two levels. So CCNA, which is even I also certified, I'm a certified CCNA by Cisco. I did not get a chance or time to do CCNP. CCNP, if you do, guys, you can skip written test in any networking domain. You can directly go for the apply for the interview. And as you are pursued, qualified in the CCNP, definitely there will be 99% chances for you to get recruited with a high package. So this is such level certification. In the same way, you are interested in the testing, then you can choose to do this ISTQB certification, International Software Testing Qualifications Board. If you are ISTQB certified, means in the testing domain, your entry will be just like a cakewalk. The interview would be just for a namesake, just for a formality, guys. That ISTQB certification has that much weightage in the testing domain. And if you are interested in that database, yes, you can choose the Oracle certification as a DBA. You can pursue that DBA certification. So you can think of these certifications also. You need not to waste time by demotivating, by depressing, guys. Yep.
And those who are good with their programming, they can also try this, competitive programming.
Yes.
Yeah, that also one good opportunity. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's all, guys. So we try to explore maximum possible options for CSC graduate other than GATE exam. Here nowhere we have mentioned GATE. So GATE is one of the opportunity, guys. One of the opportunities anyone have. So with the GATE, life is not started. So without GATE, life won't end. Right? So don't stop. Don't stop. Think of all these opportunities which you fit. Definitely everybody fit in one of these. So which will be favorable to you? Where you fit, you find yourself and go on. I wish you all the very best for your future ND, future career. I wish you all the very best. DV sir, over to you.
Yeah. I wish you all the very best. And as Satya sir rightly mentioned, GATE is not the beginning or GATE is not the end, but the preparation which you done will not go waste, my dear friends. It will definitely help in other career opportunities also. Okay. And all the best for your future endeavors. And thank you very much for attending this session, and prepare well for other examination or other opportunities, whatever you are looking for in the future. All the best, my dear friends.
Yes. To conclude, dear friends, if you are aspiring for BARC, we are conducting series for you, free series for you on the YouTube. And if you are aiming for 2024 GATE exam, even for them also, we have started already a series for GATE 2024 aspirants. So join our sessions regularly and get the most benefit out of it. I wish this session is helpful for every one of you. Thank you so much for patiently listening to us. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best again. See you guys in the next session. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.
Good night. Jai Hind.
Thank you, DV sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, Satya sir.
Yep.
One second.
You can stop streaming from there.
Yes.